Children, now we are going to start with exercise 90, which is basically based on modulus and argument of the complex number. Now, by definition, modulus means mod z is equals to the expression under root x square plus y square if z is equals to x plus iy. And amplitude by definition is tan theta is equals to y by x or theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Now in this question you can see that z is equals to xy plus iy I have assumed, so that you don't have confusion what is the value of x, what is the value of y. So z is equals to root 3 plus I. Now this is the complex number given in Cartesian form. We are required to find out three things in the question, as the question reads: find the amplitude, find the modulus, and the following complex number, express it in polar form. So three things are to be done. Starting from modulus. Modulus is mod z is equals to under root x square plus y square. Value of x to be substituted from here, which is root 3. So substituting here root 3 square. Y value is 1 square. So under root 3 plus 1, that is root 4, equals to 2. So modulus of z is 2. Now comes amplitude. Now amplitude by definition is tan theta equals to y by x. You have to remember this definition. Now substitute what is y. Y is 1. What is x? X is root 3. So theta is equals to tan inverse 1 by root 3. So tan inverse 1 by root 3 means what is the value of this? It has to be 30 degree from your standard values. So which is equivalent to pi by 6 in the angle form. Hence we express this in polar form. Now the complex number z is equals to r cos theta plus I sin theta. Now value of r is 2 cos of pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. This is your final answer expressed in polar form. Now children, you can always verify this answer whether you are getting the correct or not. That is, substitute the value of pi by 6 here. Cos pi by 6 means cos 30, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sin 30 will be 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled here, and 2 will be cancelled here also. If you open the bracket, you will be left with root 3 plus 1 only. Hence, you see in every question, you have to first express the complex number in the form of x plus iy always, if it is not so. If it is already given, like in this question, then there is no problem. You can directly put the formula mod z is equals to under root x square plus y square. Substitute the value of x and y. Then comes amplitude. Tan theta is equals to y by x. So substitute the value of y and x. Theta becomes 30 degree, which is in this case theta can take any value, and you know how to express the values. So put it now in polar form, r cos theta plus I sin theta. Hence this is your final answer.